Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's episode, we have a very special guest with us, the president of Eon Properties, Mr. Ian Cruz.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi,
Thank you.
sir.
Hello.
Welcome to the vlog. So thank you for being here with us today. I know you have many meetings. Buhay negosyante. So
Yes,
sir, can
ma'am.
you give us a little bit of his backstory on how Ian Lux Properties began?
Si Eon Lux Properties, we started FTC group of companies now, and then we built Eon Towers, and then it became successful, and then we were looking for expansion. Kaya we have decided to build a company that will do real estate, especially condominiums. So yun yung naisip namin. We use Aeon as our parang core branding. Kaya it's called Aeon Lux Properties Incorporated. So that is where we, right after na ito si Aeon Towers.
So Ian Towers was your first project?
Yes.
When did it launch?
It launches on way back 2012, and pre-selling, and then we start building it about 2013 or 14, parang ganun, no? And then
And now ongoing turnover na.
turnover rin na po kami. Way back 2019 December actually nagsimula.
Yeah, and Thea mentioned, and also Sir Ariel, they mentioned na that you started with around 2.9 yung for your studio units.
Mura masyado pa. Way back, yes. Correct. We started 2.5, 2.9 actually,
2.9.
million. Currently, the cheapest right now is about 10 point.
Yeah, around 10 million na
10
for your
million na
studio
po.
units.
Studio
So
units
your
po.
investors are very happy with
Yes.
the appreciation that they
Yes,
were
yes.
able to experience. I mean, from 2.9 to 10 million na.
Correct. Happy masyado. Lalo na I have few, very thankful. They have started, 2.9 nga, as what they said. Now they know the value. Naging 10 million na po.
And the design of Ian Towers is very iconic. Parang noticeable talaga siya when we're driving in this area. You
Opo.
can't help but notice Ian Towers with its all glass and parang rounded na spherical design.
Yes. It is inspired kasi from Marina Bay Sands.
Oh yeah.
So it was designed with these two towers yan supposed to be, but final design ginawang one with an oblong shape and infinity pool on top. So that was the final design, and people likes it. It's something new.
Very
and-
eye-catching.
Yes, and it's lighted also at night.
So it looks very noticeable and very nice to look at night with all the lights.
Yes.
And you also incorporated green technology with the glass
Yes,
that you
pa,
use.
the glass, yes.
What kind of glass did you use?
We use the low E glass, and some other areas you also do double glaze the glass so that yung araw hindi napapasok sa unit, it bounce back already. So sa labas.
So parang most of the sunlight is deflected.
Yes.
Para lesser yung consumption ng
Yes.
electricity and your unit wouldn't be as hot. Because usually, di ba, glass papasok talaga at naging mainit.
But dito sa atin, we use it low E. That is the glass that we use for the green building. And again, it saves 70% of the rays papasok. So 30% lang yung papasok. Parang ganun yung the concept. So hindi masyadong mainit yung unit kahit na naka-glass tayo.
And it's also smart technology ready. So what
Yes.
does this mean? Ano bang pwedeng ilagay sa unit?
Basically, the unit is equipped with fiber optic up to the unit itself. So it was one of the first in the Philippines when I launched this. Yun yung you can command.
Voice command.
Voice command. You can use, currently we're using Alexa to command to open your aircon, open the windows, open the curtains, the TV, the sound system, anything you can think of. Now you can do it remotely. Even the doors, you can
So
open it
via phone or
via
voice command.
or by an iPad, something like that. Pwede.
So they just have to buy like the gadget, yung
Yes.
Alexa gadget for voice command.
Yes.
But if walang gadget, you can use your phone.
Yes, yes, definitely. Definitely. Ano siya, ready na siya. So what you need to do is just to buy, just to put the active component and it should be running perfectly with the...
So very convenient for the unit owners. Hindi ka natatayo. You
Yes.
just order Alexa around to switch on things
Correct
or
po.
off.
Correct po.
Or
Something new.
if may nakalimutan ka, like for example, nakalimutan ko bang i-off yung aircon or yung lights or
Yes.
something, you can just command Alexa using your phone kung wala ka na sa unit mo.
Actually, depends. Meron din yan. Like, you have an access through Alexa. Meron ka rin access sa phone. If you're away, you can check your phone. Oh, the aircon's still on. So, you can turn it off remotely. Basta may internet connection ka lang. So, that's how it's, futuristic, the building and the
Yeah.
units.
And
Ganun pa.
when we were checking out the units with Thea and Ariel, so Ariel the other day, my interesting feature that Thea pointed out to me, which was the fresh air from filter.
Fresh air ventilation
Fresh
sa
air
building.
ventilation.
Yes.
Yeah, fresh air ventilation. So
kasi-
you can. So how does it work?
The building kasi is equipped with fresh air ventilation, means that we have per unit, we provide fresh air through the mechanical fan. So kahit na walang tao sa loob ng unit, naka-off yung aircon, but there are fresh air coming in from
So
the
if you're not there, you can switch it on. And
Yes. It's automatically switch on.
switch on na yun.
Switch on na yan.
So when
on
you're
the
back, parang you wouldn't feel like your unit, your unit can breathe even though walang tao.
Yes, yes. Para kang nakabukas yung bintana. Pero wala naman kasi yung bintana kasi it's a safety features that we don't put the owning windows. So we provided fresh air. So from the lobby hanggang the unit sa loob, may fresh air po yan. So it has at least 10% yata. I'm not sure what is the design, but it is past 10 or 20% may fresh air makeup ang tawag doon sa unit. So, yun ang meron kami, additional features na na-install namin dito po sa Aeon Towers.
And coming back to your mother company, which is FTC, you handle like a diverse group of businesses. So what are these businesses?
We have many businesses.
And
Such
like what industry?
Meron kami sa food, meron din kaming sa malls, fitness, tsaka health, such as La Vie. Meron din kaming hospitality businesses. And many more, hindi ko memorize lahat.
Hindi na-memorize sa dami. But what made you decide to go into the real estate industry?
Well, I think in my perspective, you will not go wrong for real estate. No? It's just basically the prices keep. I mean, the real estate, it goes up.
That's right.
It always goes up. It never goes down. It should always goes up. So it's a very good investment. And if as a business partner, maganda siya sa tingin ko.
Kumusta naman so far yung Aeon during the pandemic? Like how did you fare? What did you adjust? Did you stop constructing or parang na on hold ba, or were you able to like just continue the construction even na pandemic?
Pandemic started 2020 March now.
Yes, 2020.
We were lucky that we have turnover, finished the building 2019 December, 3 months prior to the pandemic time. So, walang nangyaring stop ng constructions, na turnover namin siya on time. The hassle lang nang nangyari is syempre, yung mga end user, medyo na timing yung pandemic, so we have give them assistance in terms of, turnover, since December man turnover, we give you 6 months to 1 year na grace period to give you collect the final payment. Kasi normally kasi pag real estate, especially condominium, you get your equity share 20%, and then the 80% you pay us once it's turnover
Yes, via bank financing.
via bank financing or cash. So during pandemic, 2 years or 2.5 years, wala talaga yan. Wala. So even I think all the developers knows that the banks are temporary.
More tight during the pandemic, and I
Yes.
noticed that they became a lot more strict.
Yes.
Like
So,
before, prior to the pandemic, it was really good.
Yes.
Ang bilis
Oo.
nilang mag-approve. Tapos nag-pandemic, naging strict sila bigla sa mga
Very
clients
strict.
na nire-refer ko. And meron pa silang additional fee dahil pandemic. And it was like 100,000 or something.
I think they have escalated a bit on the interest. I think, no? Mga
Yung
fees nila.
yung interest similar lang na
Okay.
pre-pandemic, parang nasa 6 to 6.8%
Okay.
for a 5-year fixing period.
Yes,
But
yes.
what they added on, but they became more strict with the screening process.
Yes, agree.
And they also added like a fee. Di ba meron yung bank fees if you get a loan?
Yes.
So the borrower is supposed to pay for some bank fees. And then they added another fee. I forgot the term, pero basically it was because pandemic, so may additional fee.
Yeah. Baka ganun siguro. But anyway, totoo naman yan. I think there are banks who are doing it now. And then, yeah, it is a challenge during the 2 years na pandemic natin. And now, hopefully, medyo nagre-recover na. So, by second quarter this year, medyo maganda na yung
Mas okay na.
Mas
Kumusta
okay
yung
na.
sales ng
So far,
Ian
so
during
good.
the pandemic?
During pandemic time, syempre lahat slow down. No? Selling, paano ba yan?
Yung activity slowed down because
Yeah,
people
it's-
were like sitting tight, they didn't really know what to do yet.
Yes. It's true. Talagang mahina talagang sales. We were projecting, parang na-hit lang namin is about 50% during the pandemic time. But still, we considered it's good kasi nakaka 50% din kami.
Yeah. And when did you launch Ion Blue, which is your second project?
Aeon Blue was, we start pre-selling in 2019. 2019, we start pre-selling it sa 2019. During pandemic, natamaan din yung sales na yan. So, umaabot din yung more or less, mga 50% din.
So you launched Ion Blue 2019 and a year before the pandemic hit.
So, we started like January 2019. So,
Yeah, parang 1 year nga.
1 year talaga.
Prior to the pandemic.
So
So,
yung
2019,
projections.
okay, yung sales, maganda talaga.
Maganda. Basta real estate dito sa Davao,
Yeah, I
I can
noticed
say,
that.
maganda.
Yung mga condos dito, ang bilis na sell
Yes.
out.
Kasi the people in Davao, I believe they are very educated. They know how does the condo works here, and they love the idea of, investing in condos and probably live in condos because parang liit-liit na lang. Maliit. Konti na lang lilinisin nila
Because
sa
here
bahay.
also in Davao City, even though it's a very big
Yeah.
area, one of the biggest cities, di ba? I think the biggest in the Philippines.
Yes, agree.
Pero parang center is
The city itself.
hindi masyadong malaki yung center, and the house and lot na projects are a bit farther away
Yes, nasa malayo na po. Mga average siguro malapit na is about 30 minutes ride, which I think very na sa amin yan.
Malayo na
Malayo
yan.
na sa amin yan.
Don't let taga Manila hear that. Kasi my friends from Manila, they commute like 2 hours
Yes.
a day.
I mean, Manila is Manila.
One way.
Yeah, that's
2 hours
why.
one way. 4 hours back and forth.
Yes, so I mean, in
For us, spoiled tayo eh. Even in CDO, parang, it's 30 minutes, ang layo.
exactly, di ba? Kasi from Davao or from here in Mindanao or Davao, we don't get used to very traffic. But now it's getting trafficker, So if you say 30 minutes, pag-isipan muna natin. Di ba? So, yeah, that's why, lalo na dito sa Davao, I think, nakikita mo na ngayon na medyo nagta-traffic na siya. That's why the condo starts to grow now. And yun, people likes it.
And I noticed that developers here, they don't just launch single projects, they launch townships.
Yes, majority nakikita ko, mga developers natin dito sa Davao, yes, tama ka, multiple buildings in one, hindi lang one building, it's multiple. So, that's good.
Just like with Ion Blue has 3 components, right?
Yes,
You have
yeah.
3 residential towers, which are
Yes.
26 stories.
Yes,
And then you have a condotel.
Yeah.
It's still 26 stories, yung
yes,
condotel.
more or less the same height.
And then a commercial building
Yes,
and an amenities area.
yes, correct. So, it's Aeon Blue is designed to have live, work, and play. So, you can have the living and you can work on the Tower 4, and we have play is basically the entire amenities that we have there.
Which is a 4-story building.
Yes, plus the swimming pools. I think we have 4 to 5 swimming pools on.
Parang 6 swimming
6, no?
pools.
Sobrang dami. Dami na swimming pool.
Yeah, ang bongga. Nasa isang building yung lahat ng amenities. Why did you decide to put up a whole building for the amenities?
Yes. It's better kasi na then malapit lang. I mean, not malapit. I mean, it's part of the communities that has one amenities area that concentrated more on amenities, So pag baba mo, you go to the pool, you can do the pool, or you can go jogging, you can do sightseeing, or you can rest, or if you want to go to coffee shop, then you go to the Tower 5.
So it's just all in
5.
one place.
In one place. You don't need to go out. Nandyan na.
And one interesting feature that you offer your investors is that once you're a unit owner of any Ion property project, you can enjoy the amenities of across the board.
Yes, lahat
lahat
ng
ng
may
projects.
Ion. Lahat ng Ion, you have a free access. So basically, if you own a unit at Aeon Blue, so you can access the Aeon Towers Club Ion. And then same time, if you're a owner of Club Ion, you can go to the Blue or to the future projects.
And no need to pay na for using the amenities.
Access pa. No, that's no problem. No need to pay. It's free. Definitely.
Yeah, may gym na, may
Yes.
pool, jogging path. I
Yes,
mean,
yes.
here lang in Ion Towers, and there's a kiddie playroom where
Yes,
you
kids
can
play.
even leave your kids.
Yes pa.
So a very convenient na feature, especially for those who have kids and then working yung both parents.
Correct pa. Correct. We have a center here, especially for the kids now. And we have attendants and the, how you call them?
It's like it works like a
It's
daycare.
a daycare, yeah. It's a daycare.
A daycare, because they have that in the US and in other countries like Australia, but it's not so common here in the Philippines kasi usually we have yayas.
Yes.
But if you live in a condo, parang mahirap na magyaya.
Mahirap na. Kasi dito, 2-bedroom lang eh.
Yeah, because of course with a condo, the space is limited.
Yes.
So if you have a daycare, at least you can parang enjoy the benefits of having yaya for your kids, but not really having a stay in yaya.
Yes. And it's for free.
Yeah, and free pa. You
It's for
won't
free.
have to pay an additional fee
No.
to leave your kids sa daycare.
Yes,
But
yes.
until parang may time, parang until 6 p.m.
Yes pa.
Then
May
after
opening
that,
time.
you get na your kids.
Correct, of course.
Walang overnight.
Walang 24 hours.
overnight. Grabe
Correct.
naman, iba na overnight.
Wala na.
So far in managing the construction and running the business, ano yung usual na challenges that you encounter?
Construction, kasi those time when we build Aeon, medyo yung kakulangan dito sa Davao is the skilled workers, no? And some special materials that we have to order it abroad. So we will definitely experiencing few delays, lalo na sa mga importations and for skilled workers that we were short. Kasi during that time when we were building Aeon, majority of other developers also building together. Sabay-sabay.
Ang daming ang developers dito sa
Sabay-sabay.
Davao.
Ang dami. National, local,
Parang this
newbies
year,
like
I think
us.
4 townships nag-launch here in Davao. 3 or 4.
3 to 4, maybe, yes. Yes, I've heard. Many has launched this year, yes, because after pandemic, ito endemic na eh. So,
Yeah.
nagsisimula na kami.
Nagsisimula na.
Nagsisimula na kami. Yes, so yun. So, experience talaga before, during when we build this Aeon, towers is basically the skills and the materials. Kasi mga materials gamit natin dito, hindi naman kasi lahat available, especially Davao City. So we have to order it from abroad and some are from Manila suppliers pa. So it takes time, yeah. So yun yung challenges namin dati.
What's your advice naman to those who want to start developing?
Oh,
Advice to aspiring developers.
well, the market's still very big. No? Market is still very big. Kulang pa rin ang mass housing dito sa Davao.
Not only Davao, the Philippines.
I think the Philippines.
The Philippines talaga.
Yeah, if you could see, one developer just launched last week. They sold out three towers, ba? Sabi nila, 3 to 4
towers in 3 days.
In 3 days,
Yeah,
right?
3 towers. That was DGT.
Yes. So that's why, from that point of view pa lang, alam na natin lahat na talagang kulang. Kulang talaga. So I mean people are still wanting, kasi imagine mo 2 years walang development. 2 years walang ano. So basically ngayon,
Walang masyadong nag-launch.
yes, no launching, no new development. So basically talagang ngayon, I think people starting to get back to to investing and probably need talaga nila, the future needs nila sa housing.
During the pandemic, did you change any of your processes? Did you go online even more? Ano bang what changed?
During
How did you adapt? Especially sa sales and marketing na side.
During pandemic, definitely we have changes a lot. No, it was traditionally face to face. Now Zoom agad. So I said, wow, I'm talking to a computer. So parang ang sobrang layo from face to face. No, ngayon Zoom. So parang okay, that's number one adjustment. And normally before we do a different type of advertisement, and we have to change it through online, just to reach out new potential client, OFW, or through friends of friends, all this stuff. Used to be kasi tawag lang invite, punta kayo dito, kain tayo, ganun. Mabilis na yan
But before, parang nung nag-pandemic, parang mahiya ka mag-invite.
Yes,
diba?
you cannot do that. You can't even invite. You cannot even, because at the end of the day, you're like, hey, should I invite you?
Baka may COVID to. Oo nga, before parang to invite someone ang dali lang. And then nung nag-pandemic, nag-change talaga yung
lahat.
social landscape. Like you can just invite people.
Correct. Iba talaga. As in, when you invite them, you have to be, are you vaccinated? Are you safe?
Kahit na vaccinated, pwede kasi na may COVID ka and you can still transmit it.
Yes. So parang siyempre hirap. Then paano yung kasi if you sell real estate kasi, you cannot do it online. It's more on face to face. That is the traditional works. And you have to explain, bring them to the showroom, bring them to somewhere that they can see, because you're selling a future home or a future dream, their dream, but they cannot imagine it without seeing it, touching it. Those are the most So during pandemic, wala yun.
But you were still communicating with your brokers online, because that's what Sir Ariel also mentioned.
Yes.
Kahit na pandemic, there were the brokers, especially here in Davao, we're still actively marketing and selling Ion properties. So
Yes, po.
ongoing pa din yung online na communication.
Currently, yung mga out-of-town trips and mga brokers natin and out-of-town other provinces of Mindanao, majority of our communications through Zoom or call. Communication is still there. But yung visiting is just starting to get bago na kami lalabas na to the unlike before, halos everybody's outside of the office. So ngayon nandito pa ngayon, but we are now starting to go to the provinces, meet peoples, ganun na ngayon, especially sa mga brokers na.
Mas open na. Even like this year, there has already been mga launching, mga awarding, face-to-face now with like 100, 150, 200 brokers and sellers invited.
Used to be, before pandemic, I have 1,000.
Really?
Yeah, we were like simultaneously having a Christmas events.
Ang dami naman ng 1,000.
It is. That's why sometimes when we do launch or we do invites for Christmas, it's 1,000 packs, 1,000 seat capacity. Kasi you have more brokers, more sellers. So that you have to introduce them Who are we? What are the projects? What is the goal? Things like that. So they will understand. We have done that before pandemic. After the pandemic, wala, iba
Bawal na nga yung 100, 1,000
50 lang po, 100 lang po.
100 nga was considered a lot already
Diba?
during the pandemic.
Oo.
Ngayon, okay na.
Starting na. Hopefully, it will continue po.
Because everybody's vaccinated, naka-booster na lahat.
Correct.
How about yung OFW clients ng mga agents? Because we have clients talking to us kahit na 1 or 2 a.m. So how do you manage that? Like to update them sa inventory if alas 2 na madaling araw?
Meron po kaming system. We updated weekly to all our agents, brokers, that they could access it 24 hours. So you can see that there's an inventory, then the prices, the payment scheme, all this stuff. I think naka-online naman siya. So hindi na kailangan mag-worry who to call to the company. Oh, ma'am, may client ako. Wala nang ganon. So it was being...
So yung system is like sa Facebook group or sa chat ba yan?
It's kind of, we call it sales generator. Basically, we call it internally sales generator. We share that to our brokers that these are the inventories we have, and we update that every week.
Is that an app or how do you access it?
Through email lang ba? We'll send the computation. We'll send the sales generator through email, and the brokers or the sellers, the agent can access it automatically from the email. It's just like an Excel with a better format ba, something.
So basically, email ang updates.
Yeah.
The weekly email sent out by
Normally, we
your
do
marketing
weekly emails update, lalo na sa mga accredited brokers and sellers namin, so that they could, get updates from us. So from inventory, price, the increase, promotions.
Yeah, it's
all of
very
this.
important. Like for us as sellers, since we're the frontliners, to really have access to the information that we
Yes.
need to present to our clients.
Yes. Correct po.
Yeah, actually, sir, have you heard of Brookie?
Ulit?
Brookie. It's
Hindi pa po.
an app. It's an inventory management system that uses artificial intelligence
Oh, good.
to manage the inventory. So I shared this with Sir Ariel as well. We use Brookie with some developers in Cagayan like A. Brown, Wecom, Damosalan.
Okay.
So basically what we do is whenever I need like an updated inventory, like a map or sample computation of a specific project for this developer, kung meron siyang Brookie, I just open the app and then click there and then it generates na the information that I need. And since it's powered by artificial intelligence, automatic siya, like less than 1 second, andun na yung kailangan ko.
Oh, really? Sige, I'll check it.
I'll show it to you later.
Sige
So
po,
it's
sige
really helpful for us as sellers to be able to have access to these information around the clock.
Download lang sila sa apps na. It's a
paid app, the
okay.
Brookie. Actually, the startup founder is a good friend of mine. She's also my business partner sa Truly Wealthy Realty. But Brookie is a separate company from our realty. It's just that I use it a lot, so that's why I also recommend it to the developers that I meet. Because it will also help with your sales. Because it will help you sell faster. And what the marketing team needs to do na lang is instead of answering so many brokers, di ba, online, sa chat or sa call or sa text, they can just update the inventory through Brookie.
Okay.
And si broker or agent sa Brookie na mag-access. And you can
Correct.
also do reservations through the app and do equity payments
Okay.
through the app.
Good.
Sige, I'll show you later.
Sige pa. You share with me. Things like
Yeah.
that, I need to be updated also.
Yeah, sige. We can actually schedule a presentation.
Sige pa. Okay,
Or
very
you
nice.
can makita mo how it works. So, for those investors, buyers who want to invest in Ion, how can they find you? What are your social media? You have a website or Facebook page?
Yeah, we have a Facebook page. This is eontowers.com. Eon Towers. Meron din kaming Eon Lux Properties. You can access through Facebook na. On website, it's eonlux.com. aeonluxproperty.com.ph. So you can see the Aeon Tower and Aeon Blue. And for more details, we could access through our sales department here at showroom, second floor, Aeon Tower, JP Laurel Street, Davao City pa.
It's very easy to find. So, ginugol ko lang nga sa Google Maps.
Ay, good, good. So you put Aeon, medyo ano na sa Davao?
Yeah, Aeon Towers, and then we're here na. So it's easy to find. The showroom is just here on the second floor.
Yung second floor lang pa.
Thank you so much, Sir Ian. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
And that's it for today's episode. I'll see you again in my next video.